he can match the talent. You know, he's talented also, but he can. We wanted a guy that can that we won't help a lot. Yun.
Did you talk to Adams about your decision, the management decision to replace him?
Definitely, yes.
What was,
You know,
what was his reaction?
him? He's very professional. You know, he's a very professional guy. He he just reminded me of Ivan Aska when Denny Boatwright was about to come, and Aska knew about it. And Ivan, when we won the championship, he turned it around because he played really hard, and at that point we beat Ginebra and we beat Talk and Text, and then Penny arrived. And then the rest is history.
So Adams kindly accepted the decision without hard feeling?
Nothing. Without.
But,
Yeah.
ayos yan.
So if you're hoping for the same result, obviously, yung kay change of import with, di ba sabi mo ngayon, kay both, right? If you're hoping na...
Yeah, the same. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same scenario nga. So when Aska knew he was going to be replaced, we talked to him about it. He took it professionally, and he played his heart out yung last 2 games na dito. So it's just the same. Adams is a professional like Aska, and he took it very professionally.
Would you rate Max?
As of now, no. I think 1 more game, because it's a new court. He just arrived 2 to 3 days ago. He still doesn't know who the shooter is in the team, who the penetrator is in the team. So once he gets to know them, then I think it's gonna be fluid na. All right.
Thank you, Coach.
All right. All right. 10:30 na.